Hello, traders. Welcome to AM Trading Tips, your one-stop destination for actionable Forex trading tools and strategies. Are you tired of guessing when to enter or exit a trade? Today, I have something special for you, a powerful MT4 indicator that gives highly accurate buy and sell signals. This tool uses stochastic oscillators and moving averages to help you make better trading decisions. No more confusion, just clear arrows on your chart showing potential trend reversals. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Forex trading involves risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only invest money you can afford to lose. Now, let's get started. How does this MT4 indicator work? When you see a buy arrow, it means the market is oversold and could soon move upward. This is your golden opportunity to enter a buy trade. On the other hand, when a sell arrow appears, it signals that the market is overbought and could start moving downward. That's the perfect time to enter a sell trade. Pretty simple, right? Let's see this indicator in action. A buy arrow appears when the stochastic oscillator detects an oversold market, and moving averages confirm bullish momentum. Before entering the trade, check if the price is near a support level and far from resistance. Set your stop loss at the previous support level or swing low. Set your take profit at the next resistance level or use a 1:1 risk-to-reward ratio. Now, let's check a sell trade. A sell arrow appears when the market is overbought, and the indicator confirms bearish momentum. Ensure the price is near resistance and far from support. Set your stop loss at the previous resistance level or swing high. Set your take profit at the next support level or use a 1:1 risk-to-reward ratio. For the best results, use this indicator on a 15-minute time frame and above. If you're excited to try this Forex MT4 indicator, the download link is in the description below. But here's my advice. Always practice on a demo account first. This will help you understand the signals and refine your strategy without risking real money. Let us now understand the signals of this indicator more deeply through some more examples on the chart. Look at this buy setup. It's a textbook trade. The price is at the support level and our indicator gives a buy signal. If we had set the stop loss at the previous low and used a 1:1 risk-to-reward ratio, this trade would have been a winner. This is exactly why waiting for the right setup is so important in trading. Now let's check out the sell signals on the chart. Here, we received two perfect sell signals, both appearing when the price was at the resistance level. If we had set the stop loss at the previous resistance level and taken profit at either 1:1 risk to reward or the next support level, we would have won both trades. This shows why following the strategy with patience leads to consistent results. The buy and sell trades you're seeing on the chart right now are exactly what we look for in a perfect setup. Before jumping into any trade, always remember, follow your strategy. Don't trade based on emotions. Wait for confirmation. Only trade when all conditions match. Manage your risk. Use stop loss and take profit wisely. Practice first. Always test on a demo account before trading real money. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. But we're not stopping here. Let's move on to another chart and find more ideal buy and sell trade opportunities. Right now, we can see two sell trades on this chart. And guess what? They are perfect trade setups according to our strategy. Both sell signals appeared when the price was at the resistance level, a key confirmation for a potential price drop. We placed the stop loss at the previous resistance level and set the take profit level at the next support level. The price successfully hit both take profit levels, making these strong winning trades. This is why following a structured trading plan is so important. Now we have two buy trades visible on this chart. And just like before, they are perfect setups. Both buy signals appeared when the price was at the support level, signaling a potential upward move. We placed the stop loss at the previous support level and set the take profit level at the next resistance level. Once again, the price successfully hit both take profit levels, making these winning trades. This proves how effective this strategy can be when applied correctly. Now, let's move on and analyze another chart to find more high probability buy and sell trades. As traders, we don't just take random trades. We wait for the market to give us the best setups. So let's carefully scan the next chart and spot the next trade opportunities. Right now, we can see 2 sell trades and 1 buy trade setup on the chart, and they are perfect setups based on our strategy. The sell signals appeared at the resistance level, and the buy signal appeared at the support level. Just as our strategy recommends, we set stop loss at the previous resistance or support and aimed for a next support and resistance level. And the result? The price hit our take profit levels successfully, proving how powerful this strategy can be when followed correctly. We've covered a lot today. I hope you gained valuable insights into how this MT4 indicator can help you trade smarter. If anything was unclear, I highly recommend re-watching the explanation of the perfect setups. Understanding every detail is crucial for long-term success. Now it's your turn. Open your trading platform, apply the indicators, and start practicing on a demo account. Consistency is key. Stick to the strategy, trust the process, and don't let emotions control your trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, here's how you can support this channel. Subscribe to the channel. Stay updated with profitable Forex tools, strategies, live trades, and market insights. Like this video. Your likes help this video reach more traders who can benefit from this powerful strategy. Share with others. Know someone who might find this strategy useful? Share it with them. Your support means the world to me. Together, we're building a community of informed and successful traders. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy trading.